A team is like a living organism. A living organism is something that is continuously evolving and changing. It needs essential nutrients to continue to grow. Sometimes it has its ups and downs, moments of maybe high production and less production, moments of expansion and shrinking. And so a healthy way to think of teams is probably like that, like a living organism. This is important because there's not one perfect formula to create a team, and it all depends on its environment, its nutrients, internally, how is it doing, is it healthy, externally, what are the conditions in which the team is evolving. Through evolution, we've been treating teams like machines. And machines are really, really good unless they break down and with proper maintenance to create consistent and constant output. But see, this is not a team. Organisms are sensitive to their environment. They continuously sense shifts in this environment and adapt to those shifts. So if you think of a team as being embedded as part of a larger department, which is then part of a larger organization, teams adapt to this external inputs and evolve from those, whether it's positive or negative. Organisms also are really good at responding to stimuli. Teams are the same. Depending on the incentives and the stimuli you give a team, they will respond in different ways. And sometimes within the same stimulus, they can respond in different ways. Great teams have a sense of calmness and a sense of confidence that they can make the necessary adjustments in order to maintain the integrity of the team regardless of the stimuli and or the external circumstances. Organisms, like teams, grow and develop. They can evolve given new knowledge, and they can affect their external environment and internal environment based on how they develop. Organisms also use nutrition and respiration, for example, for sustenance. Great teams are enabled by action and behaviors which should lead to trust that fuels the team. Genuine relationship between team members, not necessarily long or short, just genuine, can lead for respiration and sustenance to have a positive effect on the team.